Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So now I want to show you how to answer. Because we have infinity, we need to transform this one into like this. So 8 approach to positive infinity. So that should be about form number 2 to 8. Next, we need to use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 minus s squared. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative 2x dx. Because we don't have the negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 gone here, and we can find the value of u. So 1 minus 2 squared, we have negative number 3. When s equals to 8, that is from here. So we put 8 gone here, and we have 1 minus 8 squared. So number 2, that is about negative number 3. 8, that is about 1 minus 8 squared. This one we change for u. S dx we change for this one. The integration of this one, that is about negative 1 over u, and we put the bounds from negative number 3 to 1 minus 8 squared. So I will put this one gone here. So when a approach to positive infinity, this one will go to negative infinity. Number 1 divided by negative infinity, you got number 0. And this one we have 1 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.